Let's solve the following computer science question. The question is asking us about object-oriented program design. Object-oriented programming involves the creation of classes with attributes and functions to represent certain objects or certain things or certain ideas. So in the question it says, a car dealership needs a program to store information about the cars for sale. For each car, they want to keep track of the following information: number of doors, 2 or 4, whether the car has air conditioning, and its average number of miles per gallon. Which of the following is the best object-oriented program design? So let's consider our options here. For option A, we would have one class named car, and it would have instance variables. Int num doors, so a number reflecting the number of doors. Boolean has air, so this would be a true or false variable representing whether or not the car has air conditioning. And then double miles per gallon, representing how many miles per gallon the car is capable of. This seems pretty good. I don't see anything flawed about this, so we'll hold on to this option for now. Jumping to option B. Use 4 unrelated classes: car, doors, air conditioning, and miles per gallon. This is not adhering to object-oriented programming because there should be relationships between these objects. A car has doors, a car has air conditioning, and so forth. And so to make 4 unrelated classes defeats the purpose of object-oriented design. So let's take a look at option C. Use a class car with 3 subclasses: doors, air conditioning, and miles per gallon. To be a subclass in object-oriented coding, a subclass should inherit the attributes of the class. Another way to think about it is a subclass is a type of the broader class. So for example, a car is a type of vehicle, a truck is a type of vehicle, so a car would be a subclass of vehicle, a truck would be a subclass of vehicle. Here, a doors is not a type of car, air conditioning is not a type of car, and so while it's using classes, the relationship between these classes is not adhering to object-oriented principles. Next, we have a class car with a subclass doors, and then that has a subclass air conditioning, that has a subclass miles per gallon. This, like C, would violate the inheritance relationship, which is that a doors should be a car, and then air conditioning would be a doors, if we're going to create subclasses like this. So that is not what we want. E mentions using 3 classes, each with a subclass car. And again, the usage of subclasses here is problematic because that would say that car is a type of doors, car is a type of air conditioning, car is a type of miles per gallon. You usually can't even have a class inherit multiple classes. So this does not work either, which means our answer is A here. This would be a proper usage of object-oriented programming: define a class and then have instance variables representing the characteristics of those class. And that's what that does.